Okay, so we have finished cooking our hamburgers and wedges for tonight. And it's gonna take a while before we get everything prepped with our drinks and the table and everything, cleaning up. So we sometimes like to just leave it on the heating pad so it keeps our food warm. You guys can buy one of these down in the description down below. It's great for really keeping all your food warm so you're ready to eat once when everything is prepared. But check out these burgers. Crispy fries. We use this air fryer here and we just basically cook them to 400 for like 10 minutes on each side. Rotated them in half. We use a whole ton of seasoning. We use the mix of kosher salt, pepper. We use paprika and cayenne as well. And before we started seasoning it in this big bowl, what we did was we dripped it with some olive oil or any other oil you could use. We use one of these and it shoots out like a spray like that, which is really nice so that all of the seasoning can stick onto our wedges. Smart idea from the wonderful Brianna. Anyways, yeah, this is all great stuff. Very simple.
Kitchen organizer.
And yeah, the kitchen organizer. This is one thing you could also buy down in the description. It's very affordable and it really keeps everything organized. And we also bought these off of Amazon as well. It came with already a lot of these labels. And they also already have some for custom labels as well, which is very nice as well. I really just love how you can organize all of these two together. Again, I will leave it down in the description down below. You can get one of these yourself. I love it. It's much more organized. Alright guys, we're about to enjoy dinner. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye everybody.